Welcome to SOI COWBOY, one of the most famous nightlife streets in Bangkok, Thailand. Right in the heart of the city, just a short walk from Asok intersection, SOI COWBOY comes alive the moment the sun goes down. Neon lights glow in every color imaginable, music pumps from every doorway, and the entire street transforms into a vibrant carnival of energy and excitement. SOI COWBOY is compact, easy to explore, and packed with go-go bars lining both sides of the street. Each venue has its own style of music and atmosphere. Some are loud and high energy with flashing lights and dance stages, while others are more relaxed, offering a place to sit, enjoy a cold drink, and soak in the scene. The nightlife here is world famous. Visitors from all over the globe come to experience the buzz, the freedom, and the unique character that makes Bangkok one of the most exciting cities in the world after dark. You'll see confident performers dancing under bright lights dressed in glamorous outfits, entertaining guests and creating a lively party atmosphere. The street is welcoming to tourists, couples, solo travelers, and groups of friends who are simply curious to see what the hype is all about. SOI COWBOY is also known for its diversity. You'll meet people from every corner of the world, and the performers themselves reflect Thailand's vibrant and inclusive culture. It's part of what makes the experience so interesting and memorable. Despite its wild reputation, the street itself is surprisingly laid back. Security is visible, the vibe is friendly, and it's generally safe to walk around, take photos of the neon lights, and enjoy the electric atmosphere. Just remember to be respectful. This is a working environment for many people. Drinks are reasonably priced for a central Bangkok nightlife spot, and there's no pressure to stay long in one place. You can explore different bars, compare music styles, and find the vibe that suits you best. Whether you're here for the spectacle, the party, or just to tick it off your Bangkok bucket list, SOI COWBOY delivers a night you won't forget. Bangkok After Dark is bold, colorful, and full of surprises, and SOI COWBOY is right at the heart of it all.